Restoring family links. What does the Red Cross do? The Red Cross can help you look for family members that you have lost contact with due to war, disaster, or another humanitarian emergency. We cannot help you look for ex-partners or with searches made for legal or financial reasons. For more information about the criteria, please refer to the Red Cross website, where you will also find information about organizations that might be able to help you if we are unable to. Of course, contact can only be restored if the person you're looking for wants to be found. The Red Cross helps people in almost every country in the world who are searching for their family. A search can take a long time. The Red Cross will inform you personally about the outcome of the search. You can go to the Red Cross website to read more about our services, other people's experiences, and how you can get in touch with us.